What do you think?
Amazing. I'm not supposed to talk with my mouth
I love them. We'll take smaller bites. That's how the magic of TV works. You take small bites. I'm Chef Leslie Durso, and I'm here with my dear friend and mentor, Rick Scalzo, who is the founder of Kokora. And today we're going to do a recipe with the Adapt and Thrive. I love this product because it helps build stress resilience. And I want you to talk to everybody about what that means exactly. And then I'm gonna show you how to use it in a really fun recipe.
Yeah, two of the real heroes of this formula are ashwagandha and rhodiola.
Ooh.
These are my two favorite, what we call adaptogens, which help us adapt to stress. Because we may not know it, but you know, we all live in situations where we confront stress all the time, and we need to adapt to it better. So I love ashwagandha, I love rhodiola, and there's also some wonderful healing mushrooms in here as well.
Ooh, which ones?
There's cordyceps,
Yes.
and
I love that.
yeah, this is my favorite for energy too.
I need energy to move through stressful situations. Okay, so when I tasted this product and I wanted to work with it, of course you could just use this in hot water and create like a brew, like a tea with it and just drink it straight. But I wanted to have fun and make a recipe with it. So these are going to be my Adapt and Thrive bars. And so we're gonna use some really fun ingredients today, throw them in a food processor and make some bars with them. Are you ready?
Great, these will be our stress bars.
These are gonna be our stress-free bars.
There you go.
Okay, so to start with, we're gonna use 3 of my favorite ingredients for wellness. Dates. Low glycemic. Now, obviously these are pitted dates. I checked all of them already. Walnuts, so good for brain health. And cashews, because they make everything delicious and creamy. In they go, and we're gonna pulse these on the food processor first. And once that breaks down quite a bit like that, we're gonna start adding in the rest of the ingredients.
Perfect.
And then I'm gonna add in some almond flour. You know, you can make your own almond flour from when you make almond milk. Maple syrup, excellent sweetener. You could also use date sugar in this, and that would be really good too. A little vanilla extract, because vanilla makes everything better. Chia seeds. Some almond butter. You could use peanut butter if you want here, but I like almond butter because it's yummy. And then of course, the star of our show, the Adapt and Thrive, is going in. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. You can really smell that cardamom and just everything.
I think this is gonna taste amazing.
Lid, please.
Okay.
Let's hope it tastes amazing. All right, so now see how it's starting to come together.
It's beautiful.
Isn't it nice? So, but while it's like that, at the very end, I'm gonna add in some mini chocolate
I
chips.
was wondering when that would happen.
Because we need a little something sweet. We're just gonna pop those in there and just very briefly, because we don't wanna grind up that chocolate, but we wanna incorporate it in. So just very briefly. Perfect.
Voila.
I gotta really
you're
get
doing
better
good.
at getting the lid off of this. So I've got a baking dish here. You can use a loaf pan, anything that you want. And we're just gonna line it with some parchment paper so that it will not stick. And we're gonna take our beautiful mixture. Ta-da! Oh, there goes the blade. Okay, get all of that in there. So I'm gonna use my hands and just press this out.
Now, Leslie, is this raw?
It's raw. We're just going to stick this into the freezer overnight because it'll be easiest to cut once it's frozen. And then after, you can keep them in the refrigerator or you can keep them in the freezer, and you can just pull one out. Every time you need a snack on the go, grab one, pull it out, and there you go. Easy peasy. But I'm dying to try them now. So I'm gonna break out a little bite for us so that we can have them now. Ready?
Oh my God, it looks like a bar too.
Yeah, but a healthy, nutritious, homemade one.
Amazing.
I love them. I think it's really good, and you can taste all those flavors that from the Adapt and Thrive in it.
Can you?
I can. It's really good.
It's really flavorful.
I like it way better with the Adapt and Thrive than I've ever made it without it.
Really? Oh, and that hint of cardamom comes right at the end.
It comes right at the end.
I love it.
Oh, this is going to be one of my new favorite products, I have a feeling. So good. When do we want to eat this? Is this a morning product? Is this an evening product? I mean, everybody has stresses. I feel like everybody feels stressed out.
Really, anybody
Give me the prescription.
taking it in a bar like this, we all should eat it because it is so delicious. It
Thank
really
you.
is. You know how to work magic with these things. But I would say, you know, because we're talking about energizing foods and, you know, building up our energy systems,
Yes.
I would take this in the morning.
Okay.
You know, I would have it with a breakfast smoothie.
Okay.
What do you think about that?
I think this product would taste delicious in a smoothie. That's the next recipe we're gonna do with it. But then this is perfect. These become breakfast bars.
Breakfast
and again,
bars.
Cut these up, put them in your fridge or freezer, take them on the go. You're running the kids out to school, you're running to work. Just grab one of these and go.
And have it, if you're sitting down, have it with a hot beverage like the roasted Kokora Lift drink.
Oh, I love that.
Or-
Are they a good combination to have together?
They're an amazing combination. You know, ashwagandha and mushrooms blend very well together, and that's the theme of this product line.
Okay.
Ashwagandha and Super Mushrooms. They are really very special.
What got you to combine ashwagandha and mushrooms and create the
you know,
food blend that you have?
Individually, they exist. You know, ashwagandha exists as an adaptogen, and mushrooms exist to support a healthy immune response. And when you know, and what I wanted to do was bring them together into one opportunity where we can get the benefit of both at the same time. Not only build our energy system, because that's really where the energy system is really where we get our immunity from. So if we're building and fortifying the energy systems while we're supporting immunity, it's a wonderful, you know, complementary approach.
When you say energy systems, what does that mean? Is there a system in my body that creates energy? Where does my energy come from?
Where do you think it comes from?
I don't know.
Yeah, not too many people think about it. But in traditional Chinese medicine, really the source of your energy system is your kidney system, which serves your adrenals, it serves your reproductive system. All your fundamental energy is born out of your kidney systems.
Okay, so it's most important that we eat ingredients that are going to support our kidneys.
Yeah, our kidney systems.
Our kidney system. So who else is in our system?
It's a bigger system than just the kidneys.
Okay, who else is in the system of kidneys?
The adrenal glands, the reproductive tissues, you know, all of the pelvic energy that we need to support. You know, this is all part of the bone marrow. You know, it's all part of the same system.
And Adapt and Thrive can help me.
It
Adapt.
fortifies. Remember, fortify the energy system. It fortifies.
It fortifies my energy system. And it also fortifies my taste buds because it's really yummy.
I want more.
Okay, good. Have more. All right, we're gonna just keep eating this. Enjoy.